I guess we are live. And hello, everyone. I am Abdullah Muti, and welcome to the stream. It's been like 2 or 3 days. Life gets busy sometimes, and I did not win stream. And here we are making video game. Okay, I think I'm back, and let's do it again. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my stream. And I am Abdullah Muti, and I am making a game about chicken farm. So, like everyone, uh let's see where we left off last time. So, if I remember correctly, it was like 3 days ago, and we we created the first step for the tutorial. So if I play now, instead of maximize, let's go focused. Let's try to put in focus here so that you can see it clearly in the vertical view. Low sound. um how low are we talking about? Hello, hello, hello. Is it okay now? Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, it's showing in my OBS that I am hitting like 5 decibel, minus 5 decibel. That should be loud enough, but thank you for letting me know, Pain, and welcome to the stream as well. I really appreciate it. I hope you're doing okay. And okay, so the game started. So okay, initially we kept it blank, but we'll fix it. And okay, now, oh, fantastic. Why is, do you notice something here? There's some, I think there's a text here. Okay, we'll fix that. But hello, player, you're here. Okay, and clicking it, clicking it, okay. And done, and I should get a event here, and it's working. Fantastic. So let's first fix this thing here, then we'll start working on the state management, and that would be in our UI. Go to our tutorial here, and this is probably it. Skip button. Yep. And this thing here, I can just delete it, and okay, so it's gone now, which is nice. And now what we're going to do is go to our tutorial, here, and open up our tutorial controller. And today we are going to complete this. We're just dragging this too long. I think it's been 4 days that we are working on tutorial, but I really hope we complete this today. So okay, so if I remove this, we should not get the first blank view anymore. Okay, ensure the list is clean. All right, and so we had our states here. So we are on the sold crates state, so that is going to be tutorial video. I'll try. The thing about tutorial is if you overdo it, the players will be overwhelmed. Either they'll be overwhelmed or they're going to lose their creative way to play this. So you have to play safe here, like how much you want the player to know. And okay, so here we are at this state here, and in this state we're going to we are going to let the player know that, hey, you got some money. Now click and drag the chicken into the screen so you can buy your first chicken. Yeah, so I think we're closing the dialog box somewhere, and we need to open it again. So dialog UI, let me check if I am disabling it. Yeah, we are like disabling it here. So in the state, we are going to clear our dialogues, and we're going to say, hey, these are your new dialogues. So that is going to be dialogues.add great, you made your first money. And then the cat is going to say, what should the cat say again? Great, you got the money. Now buy a chicken. Drag and put the chicken on the screen, on the ground, to buy it. Why is it like in insert mode? Okay, so we fixed it. Oh, and there we go. We also need to time scale is equal to 0 because you also need to pause the game. And then we will tell y dot set active. Set active is equal to true. And this should work. Buy a chick or buy a chicken. I think it's going to be buy a chick actually. You're right. Buy a chick. How to buy a chicken farm? Let's money, and we can't buy this yet because we have the money, and if we click this, oh my god, we have no money right now, but there's a gift from us full of it. So huh, something's wrong, and it's giving us only one text here. That's weird. Oh my god. Yeah, it's chicks are baby chickens. You're wrong, Pajon. Wrong. Mm, why is it not working? Like it's telling you this, but it shouldn't be. Doesn't dialogue should clear all the element here, but what is it doing? Removes all the elements from the list, right? It should remove all the elements from the list, but it's not. Still, let's go and do this here. And oh, we also gotta update the index. So, oh, am I tripping? I forgot everything. I think you also gotta index, dialog index. And once you have the dialog index, reset. This time it should work, perhaps. Oh, player. Oh, my bad. Let's skip to the like. Okay, so you bought it. You have. Come on. Oh, there you go. Great. You made your first money. Huh. And it's not working. I gotta go deep dive into this shit right now. I really wanted to fix this. I mean, complete this feature real quick. But it seems like if you don't plan ahead, you're gonna put it into pit like this. It's annoying a little, but it is what it is because probably because we are not binding the methods anymore. So why is it not clearing the list at first? That's making anxious. And then this one, we are putting into the list, but the button's not working correctly. Set up button logic. Set up button logic. Okay, button. So it is really true. And renewable listener. If dialog index is less than equal count minus 1, which is alright. And okay button on click, we are adding a listener that go to the next dialog, or else just close the dialog. Okay, so it's alright, but I think it's not being called on writer finished. It's called when the writer is finished writing the dialogue. That's all right. And next dialogue is this is the event or method that we are registering to this event. And close dialogue, this one here, close dialogue. So okay, button.click, remove all listeners. Okay, and we'll resume the game. Okay, so which one is it? Like, why is it not working? Let's clear this here and let's try again. Do I have the list here, the list of dialogues? Yep, so maybe we can see here what's happening. So this is the list. Hello player, and you're here to make chicken farm. Cool. And you have the money. Okay, so it's not, the dialogue's not cleared. Okay. You see, the new dialogues are here, but it's showing the old text. So now, okay, now we got our first money and the button's not working. And somehow if I click again, the button's getting activated. This is so weird. The issue is probably because we are not changing the text here. I think that's the issue, because we are turning on the UI, but we're not updating the text for the text box. Let me just check where I did it before, and it's in the next dialogue. That's it. So it should start immediately, it seems, but it's not working. Anyway, let's set it here as well. After we cleared the dialog, let's say dialog text equals to, oh, it's not going to be there. My bad. Here, before we make it true, before we turn on the dialog box, let's go here and dialog text equal this, and let's see what's up with my game right now. And if we hit play again, okay, this is going to work, and the old text is still here, And there we go, the new text, and we have an error. The index was out of range, must be non-negative. Huh. So weird. We are like vibe debugging at this point. And we'll play right now. Full upgrade. Okay. Ooh, I am kind of sleepy. And if I click this now, great, you made your first money. Yay. And the button at the bottom don't work. If we go to the button, do I have anything on click? We don't. It seems it's not registering the event here for some reason. Let me check. Does it show the events here? No. Okay. Okay, this button is working. This button is not. And why is it not working? Let's find out. And our OK button dot set active go false. Setup button logic on writer finished. We are doing setup. Okay, let's still give it a log here. Just check debug.log setup button logic just to see if it's being called in that stage. And you're setting it true. We're removing all the listeners, and we are checking the count here and add the method to the buttons on click listener. So let's go again. G and matrix firm to run it. And if I click it, okay, so it worked, right? It's here. Yep. And so it should work, but it's not working. Let me try again. Okay. So let's clear this up. Solved. And setup button logic is working. So we're setting up the button here, activating the button. Okay. And remove all the listeners we had. Okay. And I think this is the issue here, or what? Control X. Is it not going inside? Yeah, I will try 4 more minutes, and I'm going to give it to AI because I wanna finish it up as soon as possible here. Hello player. Okay, what we were doing, let's get the crate here, sell it, set up. Yeah, it's setting up the event, but why is it disappearing if I click this? Next dialog. Okay, on click next dialog here, and we are increasing the dialog index, and if dialog index is greater than or equal 1, and dialog index is less than the count, then dialog.text is equal to this, and the game OK button should be set active equal to false. But yeah, this is working, this part is working, but not this one. Are we not increasing the index here? Because the text is not being re-rendered. I think that's the issue here. Let's just be sure about that. And let's play again. We have the dialog index here, and let's play. So let's clear it up. Our dialog index is 2 here, and it should go back to 0 once we click here. It's went back to 0, and great, you have made your first money. And if I click OK, this did not increment. This should have incremented like this. This should have gone 1, but it's not. This is the issue here. And why is it not changing? Why the index not increasing? Oh, right. I am such a dumbass, bro. Like, I am changing the state and set this up, but then I'm not entering a new stage, and in every update the index is going 0, and the first tile, this is happening in every frame. Oh my god, I'm embarrassed, kinda embarrassed. Sold crate, and let's say setup. Okay, so we have after okay, so after salt crate we are going to change the dialog, and then we should enter a new state that is going to be yo, Bleed Rose, what's up, my man? I was busy, to be honest, busy with some other stuff, so it's been like 2 or 3 days I haven't been live, and today I got the opportunity, and I'm really glad to see you today. Thank you for coming. Thanks a lot. Not set up dialogue. Let's call this something else. How's your project going, bro? the robotic, that AI device. How is it going? Sold crate. Okay, sold crate, and then chicken tutorial. Chicken buying tutorial. This is going to be our next step. Oh, okay, bro, like no pressure, but if you wanna do it, then sure. And we are going to change our state. Here we're going to say state current. Oh, did you? I did not notice. Let me check my mail real quick. Also change my state. Not this one. What is it called? Tutorial state, my bad. So in here, let's change our tutorial state is equal to tutorial state. Oh, tutorial state dot chicken buying tutorial. Okay, I am in my mailbox, and I am what I should be looking for. What? Edgar, right? Oh, there's a video, bro. I totally missed it. Damn, it's been 4 days since. I am really sorry, man. Let me open it up. Okay. And whoa, man. If you put a hand on it, it's reacting to the hand and it's leaning towards. Bro, that's nice. I think, yeah, it sent me another one. Let me open that up. And you forgot to mention I had made a boot conversion, like, to check on its servo movement. This one. Bruh. Man, this is so cool. This is really cool. Whoa. Let me play that again. Nice. But I really like what's happening here. Oh, let me open the chat here. Okay. I really like what's happening here. Like, when you put your hand on the sensor, it's kind of like getting comfy here, getting relaxed. You did a really great job, man. Like, in a really short time, you already made a working prototype. That's so cool. Hats off to you, man. Hats off to you. You really did an amazing thing. You made an amazing thing here. And I'm kind of tempted to try this on my own as well. This is really cool. Let me take a short break here. I need a little break. One minute. Okay, back and let me watch this one more time. That is cool. Like, yo, yeah, the movement here, like how it's moving and leaning towards, and again, like it looks satisfying. Like it's getting comfortable here. In the end, you are the one who gave me the idea, so 50% off to you, man. Ah, man, I think the credit should be like 20%. I don't know, like you did most of the things. This is this is amazing. You should do a like a video log or something, like your journey here, like how you went from this to this to that. It's a good it's really nice job, man, right? Nice job. Really nice job. And I am sorry that I did not see your mail earlier. I don't really check it often, and it kind of buried under a lot of some mail subscription newsletters. I should I should clear up my mail as well. I'll do that later. But you did an amazing job. You deserve a treat. Although I can't give you a treat, but I hope you take pride in yourself and you treat yourself something nice. And we are going to a new state, and if we are writing a huge else if else statement. This is going to backfire on us later on, but we I believe we'll refactor this at some point. So if we are in chicken by tutorial, for now let's just debug it, I mean log it, and let's try it out. This is going to work. My gut's telling me it's going to work. Give modification ideas like more stuffs. I do have a question. Great, you made your first money and now buy chicken. Drag and ground chicken on the ground to bite. Okay, and now it's in the chicken by tutorials. You can see in the log in that state, and we can buy this. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Great. Okay, so one of my question was like, not this one. Let me get the video one more time. Da, 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 da. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, this one here, right? So I had a question like, how what is Python? I read it Python. It's alright. Like, what's Python? I didn't catch you. But my question was like, how are you going to fit a 3D model here? Like, you know, a 3D anime girl. How are you going to like correlate with this to that? And which one? The code? Oh, this one? No, it's not Python, it's C#. It's not Python. In Unity, you use only C#, I think. And I think earlier it was JavaScript and they switched to C#, or maybe I'm tripping. It was always been C# as far as I remember. One of the issues not issues, one of the things to improve here okay, is it like, is there any extra noise from the mic? Because I'm picking up some other sounds in the OBS indicator here. I am running a fan, so is there a wind noise or anything? Let me know. So what was the issue was that as soon as you click it, you get this UI, right? But there should be a delay. Oh, um, let me check. Let me hear my own stream for a while. Let me check. Let me hear my own stream for a while. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you heard me in the stream. In the stream, that is like stream square. Okay, I reduced the gain, so it should be less noisy now. But I'll try pop filter next time. I have a filter in my drawer that I'm not using anymore. Maybe it's time to bring it up. I don't know. So what? Where was I? Yeah. So okay, Blade Rose. Yeah. Did you hear my question though? Like you were working with Blender, right? For animating anime girls like the Arc Knight. So how do you plan to like relate with this device with the model? Like how are you planning to do that? Any idea? Or is this going to be really another standalone thing? Because I thought you were working on that, so that's why I'm asking. And now what I'm going to do is, hmm, I need to create a coroutine, but I think Gemini will do it for me real fast here. Sucks to do so, but I gotta do that. How do how do I use coroutine? Because I'm not good at coroutine, writing coroutine in C sharp. I kind of mess it up every time. This coroutine here. Want to wait for 1 sec before switching to new state. It should be a simple code, but again, I'm not good with coroutine. Okay, some like the entire structure is different for that one. Like the servo movements are different. Yeah, of course. So, hmm. What else can we do actually for this project? Do you have any you know sensors that will detect shakiness? Like if you shake that, it will detect, oh, it's being shook. Is there any sensor for that? You were working
Maybe.
with Blender, right? My bad. I am like checking my own stream, so the sound is echoing. My bad. Anyway, so imagine if you like shake this thing and the eye here goes spinning, like showing that. Wait, let me check. Oh, okay. So what I was saying, that if you shake this device, the eye will go, like twirling or something, giving a head spinning effect, kind of like this though. Like, let me open up Paint, and like this. If we imagine the device to be something like this, and I will like this. Oh, let me work on my code as well. Okay, so use a coroutine to add delay in an update loop such that you need to handle two important details: preventing overlapping coroutines. Oh, let me bring it here. Let me bring it here. Checking checking a condition like null and starting a coroutine will spawn hundreds of overlapping coroutines per second unless you use a boolean flag to lock it. Handling time scale in your start method to set standard unity coroutine using freeze when time scale is 0. You must use wait for second real time instead. Oh, here is how you can integrate the coroutine in your script. Add a flag and the coroutine. Okay, we are doing is waiting, and in I enumerator transition to state, we're going to give it a new state and a delay, and we're going to give it a we'll make the flag to true, and if next state equal to salt crate, handle any specific setup when entering a state. Huh. And next state is equal to tutorial state chicken buying tutorial, and tutorial state is equal to next state. This is kinda it kinda seems difficult now. Update your update state method. Next time your update state method to check is waiting flag, and replace the immediate state with start coroutine. So that is going to be like here, transition to coroutine, tutorial state to spawn to create state, and never ever, never have I ever thought this is going to be so difficult. Let's make a flag first. Public tutorial, let's say public bool. It's not going to public actually. It's going to be a private bool is awaiting. let's give it false. And in the update method, we don't need to wait for every state, right? We need to wait for like certain states, like from sold crate to this one. But the issue is time dot time scale is 0, so we will wait for the time here. How about that? Actually, like instead of coroutine, let's say private float, and let's say timer equals 0, and in the state, let's say if timer equal less than, let's say how do you what's the time here? Let's give it a 30. I think it's going to be 1000 for the 3 second, like 3000 millisecond to second. And I'm going to increment timer equal to time dot delta time, and just before switching the state, oh, and I think I'll return here and return. And if the timer hits the time, we'll set it to 0 just before exiting the state. We're going to say timer equals to 0. But my question is it going to be this is going to be 3000 second or 3000 millisecond? Sometimes I become so dumb and I say very dumb things. Let's run it, and also let's make it public for now so we can see it in the inspector. Hello player, blah 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 blah, and here's our timer. Let's see if it increases. Okay, 2 3. Now is it going to wait until 3000? If it is going to if it is, then we are cooked. So we are going to make it 3 here, or is it going to be 300? Why am I so dumb? And if I play now, and if I click here and we are 3 seconds, yep, and it's working. It's all right, man. It's all right. Maybe we can figure something else out. Like I just figured something else out in my code. Instead of coroutine, we're now using a timer. And so what else can we do? Let me think. So So currently it becomes cozy. Like, can you can connect it to different, not different. You can connect your device to like a server, right? So maybe you can make it do like that if your AI agent is completed a task. If your agent completed any task, then this is going to give you a notification, like, I don't know, like blinking or a message that finished. It should be like a way to communicate with your main device. I don't know, what do you think about that idea? And in here we actually passed two of our states. That's incredible. So if we play, so we sell a crate and we buy a chicken. Oh, I think done working on it. What? Whoa, wait, you already did that? Damn. I mean, you are done working on this project. Where did it go? You are done working on this project, so you wanna make something new? Is that what you're asking? Okay. So you already. Oh, you've said done. I'm working on it. I understood now. Like, did you like the idea though? Like, if you don't like the idea, then don't. But if you think, hey, it's a good thing, then you do it. Otherwise, like, why, like, waste of time. And we are in the chicken tutorial stage, right? Okay, chicken buying tutorial. Where? Here we go. And chicken buying tutorial. And what we're going to do is we are going to look for a chicken. I meant, if you don't like the idea, I mean, I hope I'm not like forcing this idea onto you. Like, work on it if you really want to work on it. If you think the idea is worth working on it. Or maybe we can brainstorm something else as well. So let me think, actually. So you have a device that currently interacts with your hand. So what else we can make it do? Can it like does it detect any gesture, or is there any way to like set a command? Because let me show you something. Okay, um i hope I hope you can see this. Can you see my hand here? And then this is a, what is it called, hourglass, sand glass. My wife gifted me like 2 days ago. So this is a 15-minute hourglass. So if you put it like this, and for 15 minutes, it let me bring it closer, okay? So it's in 15 minutes, it's going to fill it up. It's kind of like to help me focus on things, like work on a project for where is it going? Wait, hard to center it. Okay, so for 15 minutes you gotta focus on a thing, and once 15 minutes is over, you can take a mini break, or rotate it over again, so, like this again. It just helps you to focus and do micro tasks, which is much more effective in learning, I think. So maybe you can make a hourglass in that device as well, like kind of like let me get a bigger brush here. This is the screen, and you can give it a like a progress bar, and it will fill up as time goes on. you know I think it's called Pomodoro or similar to that. Let me Google it. You probably know about it, I think. Yes, there we go. Yeah, Pomodoro. Pomodoro is a technique, popular time management method developed by blah blah blah. So if we go there, you have a timer like this. I just want the image. Okay. Oh, let me fix the camera real quick. I forgot that it's in the middle. Let me put it back and lock it down. Okay, it's not moving. Okay, so this is what Pomodoro is like. It gives you a thing to do, like how are you going to do. Oh, you already know about it? Oh, no, no, no. So this is how Pomodoro works. So maybe you can integrate Pomodoro here as well, so user can put it on in front of their desktop or on his desk and use it like a Pomodoro device. Oh, another fun thing that you can do, this just hit my head, like this is the device, and if you grab it by the hand over here, then the device should vibrate, and this will give it a feeling that, and it should give it an expression like let me check. It should give it an expression like this, that no, don't touch me, and it's vibrating. It should give you a tingy feeling to your hand. It should be funny. Man, you are awesome. I don't know, man. Thank you so much, but this is not something revolutionary, but hope it helped. And thank you. I mean, I shouldn't be like saying stuffs like that. I should be saying thank you. You know what? I'll personally write thank you to you. Thank you. You are awesome too. You are more awesome than me. You're like 200% awesome than me. So, where was I? Okay, here. So, let's have a reference for a chicken. Public as chicken, and in here, in this, we are going to look for a chicken, but before that, are we going to wait? No. After getting a chicken, we'll wait. So we'll look for a chicken here. So this is something you already did, like in the in the scene we'll be looking for a type here, so let's go there. And instead of egg red, this is going to be chicken. Chicken equal to game object, and our type is going to be s. Oh, where's our generic bracket? And s chicken. S chicken. And if we get a chicken, then we're going to tell the player that, hey, you can click on your chicken to grow it up faster, or something like that. So what stage we are at now? Like, are we closing the UI? I keep forgetting. Player. Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. And we need to be careful of this too. Like, player can click, 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 and unknowingly closing the UI. This is bad. This has to be fixed as well. UX is very important, you see. This is bad. Maybe I'll make a short video on it. So let's open my Notion. Let's add, what are those? Oh, these are the thing we talked about, how to make animations. So H1, and let's say video idea. And let's do a list, numbered list. Let's do game UX, clicking okay, suddenly closes and opens pause menu. Bad game UX, or UX in general. Cool. I'll update it later. So all I have to do is just remove this button. But right now I am going to make a we're going to switch to the new state. Okay, so we are currently in the chicken buying tutorial. Bought chicken. We're in the bought chicken thing, right? Oh, we'll go to bought chicken, my bad. So if chicken is not null, then we are changing the state to tutorial state equal tutorial state dot bought chicken. And let's do another else if in this if tutorial state equal tutorial state bought chicken, then we're gonna do debug.log bought chicken. And we're also going to wait for some seconds here. 3 seconds is too much, 1 second is okay. 1.5, let's do 1.5. Fine, your first idea is 100% possible, so I'm gonna work on that. Give me 5 minutes. Oh my god, you are gonna complete it in 5 minutes? That's awesome, bro. Let's do it, bro. Let's do it. Let me know when you are done, because I think I'll be streaming for 12 p.m. today, and I'm really hopeful that I can stream tomorrow. I should create a I should create a what is it? I should create a routine, and maybe I should make a device like yours which is going to remind me every day, bro, go to stream, bro, go to stream. I really want to stream every day, honestly. It's just sometimes you have other stuff to do that kind of sucks as well. And oh, let's check what we're going to do again. Okay, wait for some seconds, and we spam our log with bot chicken message here. Oh, I was also playing games. I was playing Dark Souls with my friends, and fun game, to be honest. I like it. I think I won't be playing it today, but Talimul Barisheshto with a something like this. I don't know what is it called, but to you as well. Can you see this? uh, Thanks for joining. Give it a like. Oh, I am in the tutorial already, and money right now. So sell the crate. Once again later, great, you made your first money. Now buy a chicken, drag and put the chicken on your ground to buy it. And if I do this, and after 1 second, I'm getting the state. Congratulations, you bought the chicken. Congratulations. So let me open up my Notion again, and this is what we are doing. We're going to explain oh, we were supposed to explain the how the money works, and we will explain it we will explain it on this state here. We'll explain that. Great, you made your first money. So on dialogues.add, we're gonna say on can you see the green box on top? Dot add, it shows how much money you have right now. And you can say that you have enough money to buy a chicken. So go ahead and buy a chicken now. Drag and drop the chicken to buy it. Good, good, good. And after we bought the chicken, we are going to do the same thing again. This is where you can see like things are getting repetitive, right? You do it here, and you did it here, and we're going to do it again in here as well. So this is where that you can like refactor it into a method and apply the thing you learned. Do not repeat yourself. That is dry. Dry. My bad. Just dry. And so we are actually going to repeat yourself here. We're going to rye this time because I will clean it up later. I want to make it work first. Make it work first, then twerk it later. Dialogues dot clear. Let's go dialogues dot clear. And what else? You gotta set the index to 0. Dialogues dot clear. Index to 0. And okay, let's get this here as well. And here we're going to add dialogues for our game. I mean for the tutorial. So what's going to be the tutorial this time? That dialogues dot add you bought a chicken. Nice. Dialogues dot add. Okay, I see I have like 4 concurrent viewers. I want to thank you for stopping by and seeing my stream. If you can, like, leave it a high so that I can appreciate you properly, but no haste, no pressure. Thank you for joining and watching. And that is what we're talking about. You bought a chicken. Nice. Notice the red box on top. Okay, so this is going to be, it shows how much it shows the maintenance of the chicken. No, maintenance of everything you have. It shows the total maintenance thing you have. And maintenance cost will be deducted every second. So don't be a fool and buy bunch of stuffs. Oops. And can't afford to take care of it. Sounds a bit rude, but cats are rude, so timer dot 0. Am I doing it right? Yeah, I think it's bought chicken, and then we're going to have a new state that is going to be grow chicken tutorial tutorial, not tutorial, it's tutorial. And after, where is my update method? Okay, so after this we gotta switch to the new state, and that is going to be here. Grow chicken tutorial. Actually, we will grow here. Oh, no, it's we're at the right track, and that is else if it's in grow chicken tutorial, then debug.log grind chicken. You got this. So, oh, we gotta wait for the time. Yeah, we are repeating this as well, like 2 times from now. This can be transformed into another method and apply your dry here, but it's all right for now. It's difficult to do that because I also um, manipulating the variable outside of this thing. So this whole thing should be a method here. This whole thing here. Let's go to our game and let's try. Hello player, here's the farm. You sell the crate and now great, you made your first money. Okay, can you see the green box on top? I can barely see it, so I'll fix it. It shows how much money we have right now. Okay, I have $12. You have enough money to buy a chicken, so go ahead and buy a chicken now. Drag and put the chicken on the ground to buy it. Okay, so just as the cat commanded, let's buy a chicken, and you bought a chicken. Nice. Yay, nice. Okay, notice the red box on top? I do. It shows the total maintenance cost of everything you have. Maintenance costs will be deducted every second, so don't be a fool and buy a bunch of stuffs and can't afford to take care of it. It's a good advice, guys. Everyone, don't buy a thing that you can take care of it. Not just buy, like, don't have things that you can't take care of. Ta-da! Nice. And did I close the game? Oh, I did not. So we talked about maintenance cost. So this time we gotta teach the player how to grow the chicken. But before that, maybe we're going to turn this into a method. Let's go show context, extract method, private, and wait, how do I, oh, parameters here, nothing. How do I add a parameter here? Do I write it here? No. Huh. How? Next. What? Okay. You know what? Fuck it. Let's just make it on our own, okay? Let's create private wait for private void wait for seconds, and we are going to pass. Did I write something wrong here, little man? It's going to be for and float seconds, and this time this time we're gonna copy this and put it here. If timer, let's make it very specific. This dot timer, and then return. And instead of this, we're going to have the seconds here. So how many seconds we are going to wait for? And why is it grayed out? See, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. I am being a dumb. Or is it like it's going to increment, but let's just keep it like that. I am making stuffs complicated for no reason. But I am repeating it though. I am repeating it here and repeating it here. I just need to send a bool that hey, I am done waiting, so you don't have to return anymore or something like that. But yeah, I'll work on that. So now we gotta talk about growing chicken, okay? And I think we can do this here or just wait here. Let's talk about it here actually. There's no reason to not make another dialog box out here. There's no reason to. So let's say dialogs dot add you can either wait for your chicken to grow up or grow it up. I made a mistake here. Grow it up faster by clicking on it. Go ahead, don't be shy. Whoa, you already made the timer? That's so cool. You already did that? Like, how long has it been? Damn, bro, you are fast and super smart. Let me open up my mail as well. So in case you send a mail, I don't miss it this time. And okay, you updated the UI. Good. I think, yeah. the UI should be very what do you say, user friendly. It should have good UX. Anyway, what we were doing here was telling it to grow, don't be shy. And now what we're going to do is check if chicken is not null and chicken dot is mature equal true. Then we're going to say let's just debug it, like let's just say chicken is mature. Let's go to our game again. Can we animate in Blender using condition like by the user says, not Blender, Unity? Can we animate in Unity using condition like by that the user says? I think I understand you. And what do you mean, like you can pre-animate, like you already have the animations and it can play those animations according to the users or whatever the user says. I don't think you can make an animation on the fly. Maybe with some AI, but I not that I'm aware of anything like that. What I meant was, let me become Pirate Software once more. And what I meant was, you made, oopsie. You made dance animation, cry animation, smile animations, for example. And if you say user said dance, you just gotta, like in the script, you just have to say animator dot animate or something like that, and just give the animation name, and it will look in the state machine and perform that animation. Is this what you wanted to know, or is there something else? I hope I understand you correctly. Where were we? Okay, let's play it. Hello player, blah blah blah. I got the crate, get the chicken. Great, you made your first money. Can you see? Oh my god, I messed it up. I kinda messed it up. Oh, okay, nice. You can actually in runtime you can change animation based on the what user says or the intent is. Kind of like video games, when you press space you get a jump animation, when you press click you get an attack animation, something like that. So great. And great, you made the first money. Okay, now you can see the green box on top. Yes, I do. New and put in the going to buy it, and let's buy this. And you bought a chicken. Nice. Notice the red box on top? Yes, I do. It shows the maintenance cost. Maintenance cost will be deducted every second, so don't be a fool and buy and take care of it. You can either wait for the chicken to grow up or grow it up faster by clicking on it. Go ahead, don't be shy. Okay. I am clicking on the chicken. Let me clear this up. Come on. Yep. We have entered the state where the chicken is all grown up. So let's go ahead and chicken is mature, right? So instead of chicken is mature, we are going to go to the next stage. That is going to be production. Chicken production. So if it's true, grow chicken, if it's true, then we are going to do tutorial state equal tutorial state dot chicken production. So we are entering a new state. So we are again going for else if. Oh my god, this is so big. This state is so big. This function. Probably because it's a huge state machine and we gotta make it smaller, either it's going to be a headache in the future. And yeah, I'm talking about refactoring a lot, but refactoring kinda gets boring for me. Ah, so what I was going to do, yeah, I'm going to not dry once more. I'm going to repeat myself once more, being the worst software engineer out there. Repeat yourself. That's like evil software engineers feel like. Repeat yourself. So I am being evil. And this part, I also need this part here. Okay, and what I can do is we can take a create a method that is going to take a delegate, oh, a list of list of dialogues and the next step and the time to wait for. This should work. Yeah, I'll do it later. I like that joke. Evil software engineer. And dialogue dot add. Oh, we gotta clear it first, right? Yeah. Dialogue dot clear timescale and dialogue index to 0. That is going to go here. And we can add here. Here chicken grew up. Nice. dot add mature things are more profitable. What type of player am I? Mm, what are the types? Can you explain what kind of types there are? Like, if you tell me first what type of gamer are you, maybe I can understand what my type actually is. I play games like kind of any games. I tend to not play competitive games like Valorant, CSGO. I do like CSGO, but only if it's with friends, you know. I don't solo queue those. I like Overwatch. Yeah, I did say I don't like competitive game, but I'm only mentioning competitive games. I like co-op games, like any games that you can play with friends. I like Dark Souls. I like Elden Ring. I like story-based games like I don't play Valorant. No, I don't. I used to like the last time I played Valorant, they added Sky. You're into something competitive. Oh, you're into competitive game. Yeah, competitive games are fun. Not gonna lie, it's fun to play against real players and show off your skill. You know, it gives you the adrenaline rush. That feels good, but it kind of gets how do I say? Sometimes it gets frustrating, like grinding. Like you gotta be better at the game. I wanna play a game that I can enjoy playing, like not get mad at it, you know. Like enjoy the game what you're playing. Don't get mad at it. I also don't like games that are, you know, very boring. Let me check my. Oh, I play War Thunder sometimes because I like airplanes. I like planes. What is my most played game? Let me check it. Mm, 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 mm. Short by hours played. Huh. I played Counter Strike the most, but I won't say it's my favorite game. I think Dark Souls 3 is probably my favorite game. Dark Souls 3, Elden Ring. I'm playing Dark Souls 2 now. It's very difficult to play alone, so I'm playing with my friends. I also like Terraria. It's like 2D Minecraft. If you have played Minecraft, you would know. If you have played Minecraft, you would know Terraria. Hmm. Because it's pretty popular. Mature mature things are more profitable when you sell them. A fully grown chicken will start laying eggs. You can sell those eggs as well. Yeah, I was thinking about that because I recently started playing a game called Deadlock. You probably heard of it. Like this is the game Deadlock. I am enjoying the game because again I'm playing with my friends, but I'm not sure if I might continue because competitive games are like really takes a toll on your head. Head, should I say? Like it kind of gets frustrating sometimes. And I I did like let me maybe I can show here shorts. So I did like upload two clips of my of me playing games. Wait, what the hell? Where is it?
What are you gonna do, little fella? Kill him with cuteness?
Let me get it back.
If you're a small content creator, use this sound to gain at least 100 new subscribers.
Dude.
Don't believe me? Try.
This is I don't like YouTube. This is why I don't like YouTube. Okay, so there, like, I created two shorts about Deadlock, and these are like the most viewed contents in my game. I mean, my channel. This one got like 4K. That is like most watched view, also the most liked view. Also, this doorman meme also got a large view here. Yesterday, I uploaded a short about a small tutorial in Unity. It also blowing up, but not as much as like the short about Deadlock. If I show analytics, like it blew up very fast. It like the can you see the curve here? See, it's streaming games are yo Sir Thunder, what's up? Yeah, so playing games. I like to play game, and I'm not sure that if I want to push content about games in this channel, or should I open up another channel, because maintaining two channels will become difficult for me. So I'm a bit confused on that, but I should definitely use two different channel for games. I don't want to convolute the algorithm here. Algorithm that YouTube pushes you, right? You can sell those eggs as well. Can you push me and what the fuck? I mean, what the fuck, South Thunder? Yeah, is there any child showing the stream? I can't say fa. I should say fudge. What the fudge are you saying? Being a family friendly man here. Don't push me, Abir. Like, oh my god, what am I saying? Don't push me to be evil. I'm already an evil engineer. Dialogue. Hey, you wanna play Dark Souls 2 after I am done with the stream? No, 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 no. Sir Thunderous. I mean, yeah, because I know you. That's the issue here. Dialogue that add. You can sell those eggs as well. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I died a funny death yesterday. Like, bro, the what is it called? The smaller demon. Why does it have to be magic resistant? That's my strength. Magic is my power. Dialogue that. Should I like push gaming content in this channel? Because I really wanted to focus on game dev only. But gaming content's gets more attentions, that I might say. Uh, I- Blade Rose, have you played Dark Souls before? Or any Souls game, Dark Souls or Elden Ring or Sekiro, anything like that? A fully grown chicken will start laying eggs, you can sell those eggs as well. That's it. You are done. Go. Aha. None. But I shouldn't promote this, but these games are like uh free if you become a pirate or something like that. I think these are easily piratable games. Is this like uh currently you are in, is it like very strict that you can pirate games? In that case, don't attempt it. And but maybe wait for sales, or bunch of friends come together and make a family account, and then you can share money to buy a game. I don't know, but it's all right. No, I'm not pushing you to play it, but you should definitely buy a game though. I'm not pirating. I'm not talking about pirating games. I am talking about pirates in Somalia, pirates in Sudan. I am the captain now. Something like that. Go ahead and make money. I got more like GTA and Beam and G type games. What is Beam though? I don't know what that is, but GTA is fun. I never completed any GTA. I played GTA 5. I started GTA 5 and dropped it in midway. Like, I dropped it after the submarine mission. I started Vice City and dropped it after the helicopter mission. I started San Andreas and I dropped it after my computer broke down. And then I never got to complete any GTA games. Dialogues dot. Go ahead and make money. I think this is a good enough state for sell your first chicken, buy more chicken. Yeah, this I won't suggest this because I wanna see how the players figure something out themselves. and this is going to be a surprise thing. Okay, I'll say if the player has 2 more chicken, and then everything is can be clicked and they do certain things for them. Should I add this line? I don't know. Hmm. I am thinking. Yeah, let's say about clicks. Okay, add, and everything in this world can be clicked and they do certain things. Figure them out, William. Let's say clicking things do will behave differently. So fire, bleed, and poison, but fume knight and start alone. But I have magic, so maybe I will survive this time against fume knight. I don't know. Yeah, I have heard the rumors like fume knight. Yo, let's go. If I don't one shot fume knight, I'm not playing it anymore. Mm. And anything else? No, anything else? No. Bruh, I gotta find that Flynn's ring, I think. And this time, if we fight the smaller demon, I'm not going to do a thing. I will sit in a corner. You two gotta figure out how to fight that thing. I given up. I given up on smaller demon. Chicken production and before predator. After predator. Did I made a mistake? Did I make a typo or something? Predator. I think it is going to be a. Oh, it's all right. Take your time and don't stress about it. And I think you'll figure it out. You are doing like a great thing. It's amazing that you are working on that. And good luck. Best of luck for what you are doing. I forgot what I need to do after before predator, after predator, right? And dialogue dot text. Not this. Let's say dialogues dot add buy more chickens, get rich, buy more chickens, buy more chickens now. That's it, you're done. Go ahead and make money. That's it. And we are going to tutorial state. Into tutorial state we're going to before predator, and else if tutorial state is before predator. Yeah, I will like do the poke thing with the rapier, you know, like and let's say if game manager dot money with game manager dot instance dot total money is more than 30, we're going to spawn predator. Yep. And we're going to get a we'll add some logic to transition to the state. So change state to post predator, and else if instead of before predator it's going to be after predator, we will say dialogues like this time we will be ready, and then end game. Oof. I am done for today. Like, damn. I thought I would be able to complete the tutorial phase, but we're very close. I think next day we'll complete these 2 stages. And oh, look at that, I have like 6 viewers right now. Thank you all for joining me. And before I leave, I want to show you the game that I'm making. I hope it doesn't break for the shenanigans I just added here. This is the game I'm trying to make. It's like a chicken. Oh no, it fried abroad. Oh my god. Yeah, you think it's don't worry about it. I think it's all right. I think it's a false alarm. Don't worry. Yeah, let's say that I just said it's a false alarm. Okay. Hello player, you are here to buy chicken. and chicken, and then you buy the crate. Oh great, you gotta make money now. So you gotta press a chicken, you gotta, oh that's nice. And like chicken, 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 chicken. If chicken grow up nice, and try out clicking, blah blah blah. Buy more chicken now. That's it, you are done. Go ahead and make money. See? And maybe I can just sell it and make more chicken, and suddenly a fox will come and take away the chicken, and then we will educate the player about foxes. If you don't know, if you are not understanding what I'm talking about, maybe I can try here. There's a fox that comes and take away chickens. So spawning a fox doesn't work. Interesting. It has to be spawned from the predator manager or web invasion manager, right? So this is a fox. So what a fox does, oh my bad, I can zoom like this. Huh, why is it not working? Why is it not working? Oh, because I dragged the fox. No worries, like, I'm just telling you, there is a fox that hunts chickens. That's it. It will steal a chicken. So I'll talk about it in the next tutorial or the next stream. Thank you for staying and watching my stream. And I would really appreciate everyone to tell me how can I improve my stream, like if you want better audio, like, oh my god, I forgot to add background music today. There should be some I forgot to add music today. It's alright, I won't make that mistake next time. I'll add a cozy little sound next time. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.